You know, there's a career out there that is the literal backbone of modern industry, a trade that demands incredible precision, strength, and some serious technical skill. Today, we are going to demystify the role of the millwright. Take a look at a place like this. Inside facilities just like it, millwrights are the precision experts who install, maintain, and move the massive machinery that powers our world. I like to think of them as the doctors of the industrial world, making sure every single gear and motor is running perfectly. So what does it actually take to become one?
All right, so let's dig in. What is this calling all about? Who are millwrights, really, and what is it they do?
Okay, the key word you really gotta latch onto here is high precision. This is not just about lifting heavy stuff. Millwrights work from incredibly complex blueprints to install machinery with absolute pinpoint accuracy. We're talking down to 1,000th of an inch. To put that in perspective, that is thinner than a single strand of your hair. Incredible, right? And their day-to-day? It is never boring. One day, you could be doing preventative maintenance on a conveyor system hundreds of feet up in the air. The next, you're working side by side with electricians to install a brand new motor. So yeah, it's the super dynamic job where you're constantly solving problems with your own two hands.
So you might be wondering, how do I even get started in a field like this? Well, the main path in, the most common route, is a structured apprenticeship. And the best part? You literally earn while you learn. Let's break down what that path looks like. It's a really straightforward 3-step process. See, unlike a 4-year college degree where you might rack up debt, here you start by actually getting a job. Your employer invests in you. They sponsor your training, and from day one, you are on the job site getting real-world experience and, yes, a real paycheck.
And the amount of hands-on experience you get is just staggering. You're looking at almost 7,500 hours of practical on-the-job training. This is where you really master the craft, working on actual machinery guided by experts in the field.
But hey, it's not all just on-site work. That hands-on training is backed up by almost 600 hours of paid classroom time. This is where you get the why behind the what. You master the physics, the math, the complex blueprint reading that is the foundation for everything you do on the job. Okay, so once you've got that solid foundation, what does the job actually look like today? Well, a Millwright's Toolbox has changed a lot. It's this really cool mix of old-school skill and brand-new cutting-edge technology.
And this, to me, is where the job gets really interesting. On one hand, you've got the classic hands-on craft, the wrenches, the welding, the physical alignment of massive pieces of equipment. But then, on the other hand, you're also stepping right into what they call Industry 4.0, a world of automation, robotics, and smart technology. A modern millwright has to be an expert in both of these worlds.
All right, so let's talk about those foundational skills first. It's that hands-on intuition, that feel you get for when a machine is perfectly aligned. It's the expertise to weld a custom part on the fly, the skill to troubleshoot a complex mechanical problem. This is the heart of the craft that's been passed down for generations. And then there's the future. You see, today's smart factories are all about automation. So millwrights have to know how to program PLCs. Those are the brains behind the machinery. They work with sophisticated robots, and they need to be able to read and interpret data from human-machine interfaces. It's a whole new layer of high-tech expertise.
Now, when you have this level of skill and responsibility, you'd expect some serious rewards, right? And for a lot of millwrights, being in a union gives them a huge advantage when it comes to pay, benefits, and that long-term job security. All right, let's talk money. The bottom line. The median annual salary for a millwright is over $65,000. And this isn't some low starting wage you're stuck with for years. It's a solid, family-supporting income right from the get-go. And of course, it just goes up with experience.
But what about other benefits, like healthcare? Well, just look at the difference being in a union can make. A whopping 79% of union members get employer-provided healthcare. Compare that to less than half for non-union workers. That is a game changer for you and your family.
And believe it or not, it gets even better. A lot of union health plans, like this one right here, actually come with no monthly premium payments once you've worked enough hours. Just think about that for a second. Great health, dental, vision, and life insurance without that monthly bill. And the benefits go way, way beyond just a good paycheck. We're talking about a secure retirement with a real pension, real job security backed by a contract. The fact that 83% of union workers get paid sick leave, and you have a real voice on the job through collective bargaining.
So what about the future? How do you make sure your career is future-proof? Well, a career as a millwright is all about continuous learning. And one of the best ways to stay ahead of the curve is by getting advanced certifications. Let me introduce you to the CMRP. That stands for Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, and trust me, it's a total game changer. It's a credential that's recognized all over the world, and it basically tells any employer that you're an expert not just in fixing machines, but in the whole strategy behind keeping them running efficiently. Getting that CMRP certification, it's going to put you right at the top of the hiring list. It's accredited by ANSI and ISO, so it proves your deep commitment to your craft. And think about it from the employer side. If you can hire someone who can save you millions of dollars in operational costs, you're going to hire that person. That's what this certification proved you can do. And the best part? The demand for these skills is rock solid. We're looking at around 3,600 job openings for millwrights every single year for the next decade. This is not a job that's disappearing. It's evolving and becoming more important than ever. So when you step back and look at the whole picture, you see this incredibly clear and rewarding career path. You start with an apprenticeship where you get paid to learn, you master both the old school hands-on skills and the new digital tech, and it all leads to a stable, well-paid career with amazing opportunities for growth.
You know, pretty much everything in our modern world, the power in your home, the phone in your hand, the car you drive, it all depends on giant, complex machines running flawlessly, 24/7. And the people who make that happen, they're millwrights. So the only real question left is, are you ready to build and maintain the future?
For free Millwright practice tests, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Start practicing today and prepare with confidence.